Hi, Faye here. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. For those who are returning guests, welcome back. And for those who are brand new, welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button down below. I'd appreciate it. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a meal out of items in my refrigerator. I'm choosing some stuff that I think would make a great skillet. There's no recipe involved, so this is all coming from my mind, what I want to make from stuff I already have in the refrigerator. I didn't go grocery shopping for these items. It's just stuff I already have, stuff that maybe has been in there a while and I want to use up, or that are coming close to their use by date. So I'm all for no waste, no food waste. I don't believe in throwing out food that you could have cooked up and made something good out of. I mean, all these homeless people are starving out there. I just cringe when I see people like have stuff in their refrigerator that they don't use and they let go bad. So yeah, I want to make something today out of stuff I already have in my refrigerator, and hopefully inspire people to do the same thing. That there's probably great meals you can make out of what you already have. So I'm going to make these, and I have a green pepper. I have like a 3/4 of a onion. I've got some triple cheddar shredded cheese. Got some large eggs. I got 6 there. That's just perfect. And my freezer is a little packed right now, so I really need to start using stuff and keep cramming stuff in when I get good deals, good sales. And then I need to use what I already have before loading up on more stuff. So I got these on markdown for $3.49, and I want to use those too. So I'm going to be making an egg, green pepper, and sausage scramble. And so I got all this to work with. Let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm taking a 12-inch skillet. I'm gonna put some olive oil cooking spray. And I am going to cook up the sausages first because they are frozen. They come in these little, aren't these cute? The little individual sections, so you don't have to use all at once. I think that's super cute. So how many do you think I should use? I think I'm going to be using, I'm going to use 10 of them. To be cooking them up until they're browned and ready to serve. They're really frozen, so they might take a minute. Okay, yeah, that's the perfect amount. So I still got 5 left for breakfast another day with some pancakes and eggs. That sounds yummy. Put these back in the freezer. So my freezer is packed because I love to, go to Trader Joe's and load up and get everything while I'm there, so I don't have to keep making continued trips to the grocery store. And then when I do see a good sale, when they have those buy 5, save 5 and stuff like that, So I load up my freezer. Comes in handy when you don't feel like going shopping, but then you eventually do have to use all this stuff. So I like how cute. I got these little cutting boards. They're so adorable. I love them. And that you can just scoop them right in. These are super cute. I just found those. They were also on the markdown rack at Ralph's, so that was super amazing. So let's see here. While that's cooking up, I'm gonna chop up my onion and pepper. You know what? I'm gonna add some garlic too. Since it's right here, I'm gonna be adding some garlic cloves as well. So I think I'm gonna be I'm just gonna put 2. I'm not gonna go crazy. So I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves. And you can never go wrong with garlic. And again, that's been on my counter for a bit, and I don't want anything to spoil because with this hot weather, you know, things have a tendency to go bad really quick. So really try to make the most of everything I have, so I'm not wasting money, wasting food, wasting resources. Depends how many people in your household you're feeding, but I mean, if you're just one person, then what you make can really be economical because it will last you quite a bit of time. You can have several leftovers of what you make at one time, so that's really like cost efficient. So I'm chopping up the onion right now. So we got 3/4 of an onion chopped up right there. I'm gonna chop up 3 cloves of garlic chopped. It was 2, but it's actually 3 because they were 2 were stuck together. I'm gonna turn my sausage right now, make sure they don't burn. And if you have fresh on hand, you can use fresh as well. This is all about making use of whatever you have on hand, so this is a guideline and hopefully inspiration to have you create your own masterpiece and utilize what you have already in your refrigerator and freezer. Those are cooking up really nicely. You can see that. They're looking good right there. I'm dicing up my green pepper right now. I think these are done. I'm going to transfer them to a plate. So I'm transferring the sausage to a plate right there. And I'm gonna be using the same skillet. Gonna add a little, actually I could just use more cooking spray. So I'm using the same skillet. I'm adding more cooking spray. And I'm gonna be cooking the onion and green pepper right now. These cutting boards are so cute because you could just dump them right into the skillet. Okay, so now you're gonna saute your onion, garlic, and green peppers until they're nice and soft. Okay, so now I'm going to be beating the eggs. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. I just returned the sausage back to the skillet and I added the 6 beaten eggs. And I'm gonna let that cook for a moment till the eggs start to set. So now that the eggs are almost done cooking, I'm going to add the cheese on top, get that all nice and melty. Just pour it in there how much you think you want. I would say about a cup. And let that get all melted. There you have it. The skillet is complete. The cheese is all melted. It smells delicious, and it made a whole big skillet for a few ingredients sitting around in your refrigerator instead of going to waste. And I'm going to add, for a little Southwest flavor, I'm going to add some mild salsa on the side. And a dollop of sour cream on top. And there you have it. A beautiful meal in a very short amount of time for ingredients that you have sitting in your refrigerator, and you're putting them to delicious use instead of having them go bad. So I hope that this inspires everybody to look in their refrigerator and see what tonight's dinner will be. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy.